Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create glitch effect in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any video clip in Premiere Pro. So here you can see that I added a clip. Once you add it, then you simply need to go on to the effects and search for glitch. Then you need to apply that effect onto the video clip. Then you need to come into the effect control panel, scroll down, and here you can see distortion. So you simply need to expand that, scroll down again, and you need to change the color distortion value to 100 first. And here you can see distortion rate. You simply need to change that value to 0. Then you need to close that distortion, scroll down, and here you need to open the noise, and you need to change the noise strength to 57. Okay, once you done that, here you can see the master amplitude. So now you are going to select the video clip from where you want to add the effect. So from here, so here you can see master amplitude. So you need to change that value to 0 first. Okay, and then first you need to toggle on from here and change that value to 0. Okay, then you need to move the 3 frames, change that value to 100. Then you need to move 3 frames further and change that value to 0. Once you done that, you need to come back onto the first frame, scroll up, then you need to click on scale and change that value to 115. Okay, and then you need to click on this position and move 1 frame ahead and reposition the video like this. So now I'm going to show you the effect. So if you want to add more, you simply need to scale the video clip 120 here. So like this, it will be more vibrant. If you want to copy, you simply need to select like this, copy that, move ahead, and paste that effect. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can add glitch effect in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.